How much does Nowsite Life cost? Hi, my name is Shawn Cole, and I'm an online entrepreneur and online moneymaker, and I want to share some information with you today about a new service. All right, let's talk a little about Nowsite Life and how does it work and how much does it cost. First, let's talk about what exactly is Nowsite Life. I can sum it up like this. They place experts and professional coaches with people who need assistance in their business. Quite simply, that's what it is. Whatever field you are in, they have an expert available to help you get to the next level of your business, which is helpful. I know everybody needs a push. Everybody pays for coaching separately, but I got something special for you. If you own a brick and mortar store front, or if you are an online warrior like myself, Nowsite Life can help you. If you are in fitness or sell lashes or hair care products or whatever it is that you sell online on any format, Nowsite Life has an expert available for you. Now remember that this is a separate service from Nowsite Marketing, a subdivision, if you will. You've heard me talk about it on previous videos and on different occasions, right? Now this seems like a lot, right? So how much does it cost? $300? Nope. $200? No way. $100? Not even. Insane, right? I know. But it's all being offered to customers at a fair monthly fee of $87. Yeah, you heard me right. $87 a month. Compare this to the cost of what you've seen before for the cost of just a consultation with a coach or expert in your field. This price, I feel, is beyond fair. Still even, but I'm almost certain that the price will increase coming in future months, right? So if you have any questions or looking to take advantage of this offer, you can follow the link below that I will put in the descriptions of this video to get in and get started. All right. Or let me not forget, as always, you can give me a call at 443-527-8701. 443-527-8701. And ask for me, Shawn. And don't forget that if you like this video and you want more information on how to improve your business online, or just want to know more about how to make money online, subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so that you won't miss any of my videos for more information on how to do exactly that, so you won't miss a moment of what I have in store for you. All right. Thank you for your time again. Again, my name is Shawn Cole. My number again is 443-527-8701. And I look forward to hearing from you. Thank you for your time. Have a great day.